Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to print on demand with Printful detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're in the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. In the search bar of the App Store, type Printful and press Enter. Locate the Printful app in the search results. Click on the Printful app to view its details. Select the Add App button to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to authorize the app for your Shopify store. Once authorized, you'll be redirected to the Printful dashboard. Now, create a Printful account if you don't have one already. Fill in the required details, such as your email address and password. After creating your account, proceed to connect Printful with your Shopify store. In the Printful dashboard, go to the Settings section. Click on Stores and then select Add Store. Choose Shopify from the list of platforms. Follow the integration instructions provided. You may need to log into your Shopify account again to finalize the connection. After successful integration, return to the Printful dashboard. Explore the various products available for print on demand. Select a product you want to customize for your store. Upload your designs and adjust them as needed. Set pricing and adjust any product settings according to your needs. Once everything looks good, click on Save Product. Repeat these steps for any additional products you wish to add. When you finish adding products, head back to your Shopify dashboard. Go to the Products section to verify the newly added Printful items. Check that all product details appear correctly in your Shopify store. Next, set up your shipping and billing options within Printful. In the Printful dashboard, navigate to Shipping under the Settings menu. Configure your shipping rates according to your business model. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.